This is our strawberry tree. It's an arbutus. I think it's pronounced arbutus endo. It's a beautiful tree and it's flowering. It's actually flowering. It does get little strawberries on it, not like the strawberries from a bush, but right now the bees are covering it, and hummingbirds, butterflies. They love this tree. I'll bring you close up so you can see some of the little berries on the tree. They're beautiful. This tree doesn't get too big, 30 to 40 feet tall, maybe the most, and it's very slow growing. There's a butterfly right there. They love these trees. Hummingbirds fight over this tree. There's a hummingbird right there. Where are you? There he is. Yeah, and it's covered with bees. They love it. It's a big pollinator, different types of bees as well. Bees cover this, and these are their little berries here on the strawberry. That's what they're after. It does fruit and it gets bigger fruit. So you notice the trunk of this tree is one of the beautiful things about this tree is the trunk. It's multi-trunked and it's also red. The bark is red on the tree, so it's a very beautiful tree. It's a nice landscaping tree. We tell people, oh, we have a strawberry tree. They have never heard of it before. It is a Mediterranean. They do have them in Ireland and Europe. So these are not natives. That's one of the strawberries right there. The fruit, they're not very tasty. You can eat them, but they're usually you mix them with another fruit, I guess. But we love our tree. It's a beautiful tree. This is one of our best things about our yard. People always stop and ask us about this tree. So it's called a strawberry tree. It's got beautiful fruit in it. And it's drought tolerant. That's another reason we picked it out here. As you know, we're having a drought in California. But it's a beautiful tree, and it's evergreen as well. The problem with trimming this tree, which you have to do, is it does bloom twice a year, so it's kind of hard to figure out when to do the trimming and pruning. So I did it in the fall, and it looks like I did it at the right time this year, at the bottom. And then, of course, again in the spring. Last spring I did it and it got a lot of shoots on the trunk, so I think fall is a better time for this tree. But yeah, we have hummingbirds fight over this tree. They are territorial. See one up there right now. But they fight over that, and we have some autumn sage they absolutely love. The autumn sage trees, but yeah, there's the butterflies that are all over it. Just a beautiful tree. It's really nice to come out here and just look at how much the animals love this, the little insects and birds. There's another butterfly. If I can get it on there. There you go. Hard to figure this out on here, but anyway, look at so much fruit. It's a very healthy tree. You can see all the little buds on that, all the way up to the top. Just really nice. And we do have a nice irrigation system that comes on and waters this 3 times a week for 5 minutes a day. So I wanted to show you that. And in case I ever go to talk about this to especially my sister-in-laws, We're all into beautiful plants.